Picture a cozy evening by the fireplace, the soft crackling of burning wood creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. That's not just for ambiance, it's a fantastic form of white noise. Here's the cozy part. The gentle, rhythmic crackling of a fireplace is incredibly soothing. It's like each pop and sizzle is telling your brain, hey, relax, everything's fine. Struggling to wind down after a long day or finding it hard to concentrate? Fireplace sounds are like a warm, comforting hug for your mind. And there's more to it. These sounds create a sense of warmth and safety, making them perfect for de-stressing and even helping with sleep. It's like having a mini retreat in your own space, where you can let go of the day's worries and just bask in the warmth. So next time you need a little comfort or focus, let the fireplace sounds wrap you in a blanket of calm. It's like the audio equivalent of a cozy night in.